How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today is going to be my final on my Pyro 132 scale Duesenberg SSJ Roadster. And before we get started, I always like to thank my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers, guys. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have a channel. And if you're a subscriber or even not a subscriber, if you build models and you like what's going on in the community, guys, it don't cost nothing to get online and make your own channel. I mean, you know, I'm just your average, ordinary, everyday Arkansas redneck that likes models. I get on here and show you what I've done. It's simple. It's easy to do, guys. If you've ever thought about it, try it. It's not going to hurt nothing. All right. And two, if you like what I'm doing and you're not a subscriber, it's free. Okay, so y'all know what I've been building on. Me and Brian, Mr. BG, we've been hosting this small scale group build, and we've had a spectacular amount of people, you know, the response to this one. And we will be doing it every year, guys. And so if you didn't join in this year, just get thinking about what we're going to do next February. So we're always going to do it in February because the smallest scale, the shortest month. And with that being said, you don't have to be a professional model builder, believe me, because I'm not. And so here we go. This is what I'm building, guys. This was a vintage kit from 1966. All right, guys. Let's see. So, all right, let's throw this box out of the way. Let's get it up here. And excuse the nasty desk here. I'm kind of a slob. But there she is. There is my I want to think it's a 35 Duesenberg. And there she is. She's done in a lighter gray and a darker gray. This was supposed to be Gary Cooper's car, but I kind of screwed this kid up. Imagine that. For one thing, the colors were a little bit off. It should have been a lighter gray and a just a little bit medium gray. This is a little bit darker gray. So what we're going to call this car, since I messed it up anyway, you can see in the paint, it's the clear coat did not like the paint. They kind of fought. So therefore the paint has like cracks in it. Yep, it's got cracks in it. And you know, this being a short month, the shortest month you can have for a group build, I couldn't strip this down and redo it. I just said, forget it, guys. This is going to be not a barn find, but what it's going to be is a well-loved, well-driven, unrestored Duesenberg. That's what she is right there. And she is just weathered. I blackwashed her. I weathered it up a little bit, made her look a little bit ratty, but not ratty. You know what I mean? It's been well-loved still, but it's got its flaws, and that's the story I'm sticking to. You gotta think this thing's been in somebody's garage, not in a barn, because people that would own these cars, they didn't have barns. They had big old mansions. They had garages. This thing's been stuffed back in somebody's estate. This is my story, guys. This is the storyline. Somebody's estate, say upstate New York or Los Angeles, California, Hollywood, California, somewhere, you know, back in the heyday. This thing was driven, loved, and passed down from generation to generation. And somebody's pulled it out of the garage. It's sat there for so long. The old the old school lacquer paints have cracked a little bit. You know, the leather's gotten a little bit worn and loved, but that's my excuse, and that's what it's going to be, and that's how she's going to be presented. And let me get it off this turntable. Well, I guess I could show you on the turntable here real quick. Let me pop this hood. All right, let's get it up here and show you the engine. This was a two-piece body, so I had to fill in the mold lines. I made it had a aluminum firewall, so I did the aluminum foil for the firewall. I wired it up. I don't know if this camera, if you can get a good view of that or not. My camera's not wanting to adjust for some reason. I don't know. See if you can get it from this end. Maybe the lighting in here is too bad. No. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do about the lighting here. If you can get in there and see, it's got a wash on the engine. The engine block is green. That's what the Duesenberg would have had, with a green engine block. There's the dash. It's weathered. You got your pedals. This thing will focus. I don't know if you can see the pedals down there. It's got a dark brown carpet. It's got a lighter brown leather seats and door panels. And then it's got a tan colored top boot. The thing come with 2 tires to put on the back, but I thought it looked kind of stupid like that. It didn't look very good. It even shows on the instructions right there. I didn't do that. I even got the extra tire right there. It didn't look good to me, so I didn't put it on. I put a black wash in the wheels. You know, of course, I black washed underneath there and everything. And I could do a little bit more to kind of, you know, dirty it up a little bit. I might. I really don't know, but there's the front, if it'll show the headlights. There's the back tail lights, the back. That's about all I can show you guys. I don't know what to tell you about it, but it was a fun build, other than, you know, the paint turning out the way it did on me. But like I said, that's my story, and that's what I'm sticking to. So, there she is, guys. She looks good from a distance. Long distance. She's like a long distance call. Alright. And then in the background, let's see. I got Fred Henry's appreciation build I'm fixing to start on. And then I got the engine almost done. It's got to be wired up and stuff for the motorcycle group build held by Cliff. I think I got some of the tires done. I don't know if I showed you that already and stuff. But I got that done. Little odd and ends on that, you know, but not much to show right now. I'll do a video on those separate. But alright, guys, that's my final. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And there she is. I'll probably do a few still pictures at the end, and that'll be it. Alright, guys. Bye.